Sasuke lied to me about her feelings for J-Paul, Cross blows hot. BB Naija housemate Sasuke revealed how she truly feels about fellow housemates Cross and J-Paul during the live eviction show. Cross and J-Paul have been very close to Sasuke in the last few days in the house. It's really clear that both housemates are interested to be in a romantic relationship with Sasuke. During her last diary session, Sasuke made it known that she realized J-Paul and Cross are onto her. However, she still needs to take her time in order to figure out the right man for her. The situation of things seems to have changed as Sasuke revealed something else to Ebuka during the live eviction show. Ebuka asked Sasuke how is she planning to deal with her love triangle involving fellow housemates Cross and J-Paul. Sasuke replied, I think I have told them from the start that I am not interested in any romantic relationship. I like both of them and I'm just trying to enjoy the attention they are giving me. Cross, on the other hand, reacted angrily to her response because he thinks Sasuke lied to him about her feelings to J-Paul.
And which I've never lied to her, and she's lied, and she has not told me. I'm finding out in live TV that she likes J-Paul when she told me she didn't like him. And I asked her the reason. She said she's comfortable with him.
Okay.
I guess as much.
No,
and
you know what?
your own is that
I don't think.
I would love to have gotten closer to you, but it's just that unfortunately I can't really get close to you because